This is a teardown of a SonicWall TZ350W, and I think this was a Dell branded one. Maybe not. Gonna break the security seal. No more warranty. What a shame. Alright, I need number 2 Phillips actually. Interesting to see what's inside. This was on the teardown pile, so that means I should have pre-vetted it as something I haven't tore down. Although I'm sure I've tore down similar generation models. I might actually have a similar generation model on my desk, or pile. But, yeah. It is weird that this uses 2 different styles of antennas. I'm not sure what that's about. Alright. Did I not get through that? Apparently not. Oh, there's probably a screw under there. Now the warranty's extra voided. You could say that was unavoidable. Number 2. There we go. Cover comes right off. Oh, that's a pretty busy looking board. Look at that cute little fan. It's tiny. I didn't even know this had a fan in it. And it's normal 3 pins, so I could always repurpose that for something else. Get a closer look at that first. Hopefully it's... Actually, I don't know what I hope for. It's either going to be 5 or 12 volt. I'm guessing since it's so small, 5. Yep, 5 volt. 0.22 watts. I am not good at math right now, so I don't know how many amps that is. And it's even, wow, it's just like mounted on shock absorber. That is wild. Never would have expected such a tiny little fan in here. So we got some stuff to take out here now. Don't see a spot for a SIM card, so this is just regular wireless, not cellular internet connectivity wireless. Also, this does have a soldered on battery, so if your battery goes bad, you have to get out the soldering iron if you want to keep using this. Oh, they used some silicone to tie those wires down for the antennas. They really were afraid that they were gonna, oops, get away, I guess. There we go. Unceremoniously just yank them off. Oh, that's weird. They have a weird mounting bracket that's holding the antennas in place, even though they're screwed in from the outside. I don't get what the point of that was. Increase the cost of manufacturing, maybe? Honestly, I'm surprised they didn't just go with normal nuts holding these on. I guess they're not thread all the way down, though, at the base. These are heavy little bits of metal there. I would assume that's plated brass. But, yeah, interesting. Nothing else in the housing, though. Let's look in here. Probably gonna need to go grab a tool so I can remove the heatsink without losing the eye. And get this wireless card off first. does have a thermal transfer pad under it, which is interesting. That card must have been a really high output card, or it just got hot. Part number on the back. Otherwise, say now? I don't know. Oh, I guess it's the same part number maybe? Nope, different part number on the back than the top. Oh, but yeah, let's see here. Put on my safety glasses and see if I can poke these pins out. No, I might cut them off. I'll be back. Alright, got me some side cutters here. Just gonna snip that off very carefully. It's stuck on. Let's see what I can just do with these. There we go. Hey, what a shocker. It's a cavium chip. Seems like all you ever see on firewalls. But yeah, here's the soldered on CMOS battery though. Just a little 2-tab thing. Wouldn't be too hard to replace if you have basic soldering screws. But otherwise, I gotta remove this before I recycle it, so I'm just gonna do it right now. Got some Hynix memory next to the cavium. I keep putting it in there, it's not there. Cavium Octeon 3. Miscellaneous chips doing who knows what. Is this a console port? Yeah. I would guess that chip, if I get the right orientation, probably a serial controller for the console port. I don't think that's very readable. Looks like it says DS1374C-33. And got a Broadcom chip controlling the network ports. I would suspect that's the boot flash. And then otherwise just, you know, normal passives and stuff. Look like got another tiny chip there for USB controller right by the USB port. I don't know why the camera don't want to focus. And on the bottom, oh, what's this? That's some Texas Instrument. Yep, Texas Instrument chips there. No clue what those are up to. They're right under the boot flash though, so maybe something to do with that for all I know. 2014, geez, this is old. 10 years old, no wonder it's worthless. Looks like, I wonder if that opening, or that slot on the PCB, whoops, that might have been for SD card slot. Oh no, I'm dumb. It's more network jacks, because it has the same pattern as these coil packs, I think is what they're called. Anyways, it has the same spot for these things that go with the network jacks and the spacing. Yeah, nope, dumb. So, could have been a 7-port. What a weird number. Could have been a 7-port firewall if they wanted to populate it. That might have been for a that might have been for a storage expansion connection. This might be too new though to use CF cards, so I don't know. I'll quit speculating on my head and not make myself look dumber than I already did. But hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.